So we had a lot of people from customer support, and they said that a great idea would be to use it for customers and educate customers. And also, some people said we should use it for the company itself to educate new employees for onboarding. These were great ideas, but right now the certification course has been so popular that everybody said, no, let's create part two first. So now the company is working on part two. That
Okay.
being said, I know that there is a very big company with a very well known name in the same space that I'm not going to mention, and they use our certification for onboarding their employees when they do new hires. So for me, this is really important because it's not, how we see our own course, but how an external entity is understanding the value of the course. And if they use it
Yes.
for training their employees, it means that we have really succeeded. So right
Yes.
now we are working on part two. There is also a part three at some point, and this is the focus right now. But since it's a generic educational tool, I can see several other scenarios apart from certifications.